What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today I'll be talking about 5 reasons, 5 pros with the recently very popular phone Realme 2 Pro. Realme 2 Pro is one of the most insane phones that you can buy today for the price. I don't know exactly how much it costs in dollars, I believe it's around 180. For that price you are getting some insane specifications, insane features, a really good camera. In fact, I think the Realme 2 Pro is the #1 phone with the price to performance ratio. I really like what the company is doing. I really enjoy the phone, how it looks, everything is absolutely amazing. And today I'll be talking about 5 of my favorite features, 5 of my favorite pros with the Realme 2 Pro. Number 1. Color OS. Not that the Color OS is good, but some of the features that you get. First off, you get Smart Play, which allows you to play videos, local videos in the background. So you can basically pinch to zoom and you can just resize the video while you're still doing other things. You also have easy screenshot, which allows you to screenshot a whole page or just a certain area. It's really easy to do. You also have clone phone, which is basically another version of these services that Huawei, that Apple provide, that allow you to transfer all your data from your older phone to the new phone, so to the Realme 2 Pro. Really simple and really easy, fast, effective, everything like that. That's one of the features, or those are the 3 features that I really like. At number 2, as I mentioned earlier, incredible design. The back of this phone is polycarbonate, which is definitely not bad. Some people are complaining about that. For this price, it's absolutely perfect. But the colors that you are able to get with this phone, I believe that there's black, blue, red. Maybe there's some more versions, but those 3 are my favorite. I absolutely love the blue one and also the red one. The finish or the texture on the back, it has these little triangles or shapes on the back of the phone. Those look absolutely amazing and I'm a big fan of this device. It looks really good, it looks premium for the price and definitely a good, Realme definitely did a good job. As I mentioned earlier, when making an intro to this video, this is the best phone for the price right now. When I'm buying a phone, I always look price to performance ratio. What I'm getting in terms of a battery, specs, display, features, most importantly, design, basically all the concepts that you look for in a good phone, and how much I'm paying. How I compare this is basically I take the price and then I think about what this phone offers me, and when I find the phone that offers me the most of the stuff for a really good price, that's usually a #1 in my eyes. And currently the Realme 2 Pro is the #1 phone for the price that you can basically buy right now as of October 2018. At number 4 we have the notch. Many people don't like the notch, they hate the notch, but personally I like what the Realme company has done with the notch. Usually on phones like maybe the Pixel 3 XL that has a landing zone of a notch, you have the iPhone XS that also has an enormous notch. But with the Realme 2 Pro you are getting a Waterdrop notch, and what a Waterdrop notch means, it has this tiny little cutout just for the front facing camera, and I believe it's a tiny speaker wheel built into that. That's all the space that the notch will take up, and basically it's a non-existent notch. I give big props for this design to Oppo or to Realme. Definitely did a good job and I'm really happy with the notch design. With the Realme 2 Pro you get 2 sensors. You get a 60 megapixel primary sensor and you get a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. And with these 2 cameras combined, the phone produces some of the really cool images. Probably the best images for $180 that you can find on any smartphone. The images that this phone for $180 produces now could not be produced 3 or 4 years ago by phones that cost around $700–800. That just really proves how far or how much technology has innovated over the years, and for $180 the Realme 2 Pro offers some of the insane camera features. Portrait mode works fine, video recording, you get some amazing camera performance from this phone, especially for this price. So these were 5 pros or 5 my favorite things about the Realme 2 Pro. Especially my favorite thing is the price to performance ratio. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a comment down below in the comment section talking about your favorite feature of the Realme 2 Pro. Definitely consider dropping this video a like, and I'll see you all next time.